what, ma'ams? Did my husband steal your butt nuggets? You guys upset? You had to go put them in the incubator. You don't need to be broody. Oh, don't be mean. Yep, they're pretty upset. John came out and collected the butt nuggets. I mean, I don't even want to know what kind of words they're using right now. I don't like tongue. Chicken curse words. This is what happens when you take broody hens' butt nuggets. Especially Barney broody hens. Look at that. She got her hackles up and everything. She's mad. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yeah. Alright, these eggs are too pretty dirty to put in the incubator, so we're gonna give it to these two PMSing females. See what their reaction is, see if they get happy, because they all pissed at my husband for taking their butt nuggets. Oh, girls. Yeah. Can I put the eggs in here? Let's see if they take it back. I'm giving you butt nuggets. Where's the stick? Where's the stick? Here she takes it back. Don't you peck the egg. I'm giving you butt nuggets. Take them back. Take them. Oh, wait. Knocked it off. Take the butt nuggets. You're so pretty even when you're pissed. Are you gonna brood on them or what? I gave you butt nuggets. Get these. Look at the one behind her. Look at that girl. Oh, yep, good girl in the back, yeah. Good girl. There you go. I don't know what's this girl's deal. Stop squawking and take the eggs. You know, I used to like you until you turned into a bitch and started PMSing. Take the egg. Take the egg. Take the egg. Got one more egg to do. Really long stick in here. Take it. Take the egg. Don't pick at it. Take it. You. Yes, you. You're a good girl. Yeah, yeah. The other one's nice. What are you, the freaking rooster out of this relationship? Are you even broody? Or you just like to sit in here and squawk for your friend? Hercules, you got a third wheel. He's like, I don't even pay attention to that part of the aspect. I just milk the babies. I don't grow them. You're welcome. At least you got some.